Hello everybody, this is the second video on Auto Art 1/32 scale slot cars, and today I bring you a Porsche. Now this Porsche from Auto Art Slot Cars is a 911 996 GT3R, and as you can see, it's all white, very well detailed. It has lights in the front and it has tail lights. And as I stated on my Lamborghini video, here again you may notice there's something about this car that's a little bit different than the Lamborghini. Well, this is a Sidewinder for one. It's not an inline. It does have a magnet. It does have the same pickup arms for the brush. I've just changed it over to 10 braid from copper. It's got a solid front axle on it, but it's not powered. See, it's only the rear that's applies power to the track. This is a street version from Auto Art. Yeah, I put the Tamiya Panaline highlighter on there. There's your exhaust. It's got some engine detail to it. There you go. It's got a complete interior with roll bars, dash pad, rear deck lid, third brake light, a big old generous wing. It's got the antenna coming out of the roof. It's got a windshield wiper. Now, I don't know why the mirrors are yellow, but as you can see, they are yellow. You know, maybe you know, maybe anybody knows. But it is a GT3R from Auto Art Slot Cars. And as you saw in the video, when I began, it runs really well. It's got the usual noise from the Sidewinder gear, setup, motor, and what have you. Shows up against, of course, the black and gray parts of the track very well. I do have it on my throttle press. It is an analog car. It is not digital. I don't plan on changing it over to digital. I'm happy just the way it is. Some of these Auto Art cars are starting to become collectibles, the older ones. You might find some that are new old stock, and then you might have no other choice than to purchase one that's in used condition when they become available for sale. But like I said, I'm changing all my cars over to the 10 braid. Here I've got a guide that I've just finished up. And as you can see, it wraps underneath, over the top, through the next slot, and then down, and the brush is held in place that way because, you know, the action of going forward. I've lubricated the plastic shaft of the guide, and I will soon be installing that guide on the Bugatti EB 18.3 Chiron. I guess you pronounce the CH. I think I said earlier it was Huron, but, you know, whatever. I don't speak Italian. I barely speak English. So that's the last Auto Art car that I have to convert over to 10 coated braid. That's the last car, the Bugatti. And it's not hard to do. If you use your fingers and get up underneath the guide with your fingernails, these will come out of the chassis when you pull up on them, and then you can service the guide without taking the chassis apart from the body. Okay? Pretty quick and easy to do on these Auto Arts. And that's about all for now. Got one more car to do. I'll talk to you later. Bye.